Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here today. Look, if you're leading a business in London right now, you already know the deal. Your digital platform is literally the beating heart of your operations. But actually finding the right team to build and maintain it, man, that can be an absolute minefield. So today, we're setting the stage to rigorously evaluate the elite WordPress partners available for London enterprises. We're going to cut right through all the marketing fluff and look at the real stuff, verified data, documented capabilities, and actual real-world results. Let's dive right in and find out who truly delivers. To keep things hyper-focused today, we've broken our evaluation down into 5 key areas. First, the London WordPress divide. Second, engineering and AI delivery. Third, conversion and performance specialists. Fourth, brand and multi-industry experts. And finally, choosing your ideal partner. All right, kicking things off with Section 1, the London WordPress divide. Here is the massive problem currently plaguing the market. The industry has basically split right down the middle. On one side, you've got your amateur theme customization. Tweaking premium templates with zero staging environments and some pretty severe compliance risks. But on the exact opposite side, you have the elite standard, real outcome-owned delivery. These are the partners who guarantee UK GDPR compliance and strict WCAG 2.2 accessibility standards to protect you from legal risks. They also ensure core web vitals optimization for lightning-fast Google rankings. They aren't just handing you a website. They're actually taking ownership of your business outcomes. Moving right along to Section 2, engineering and AI delivery. So for businesses that need complex, heavy-lifting engineering and deep API integrations, time is literally money. 8 weeks. In the world of enterprise web development, that is an absolutely staggering compression of time. It's the estimated time frame in which DBB Software can ship massive, production-ready, headless WordPress deployments. And the wild part? They do it through AI-driven workflows without compromising the architecture's quality one bit. Let's talk a bit more about DBB Software. They're headquartered in Krakow, Poland, which, fun fact, is just a quick 2.5-hour flight from London. This nearshore setup is brilliant because it gives you same-day time zone alignment with London business hours. Their rates sit between £40 and £80 an hour, with a minimum project size of £15,000. That is incredible cost efficiency for a team holding a flawless 5.0 rating on Clutch. Their real superpower? Headless WordPress using Next.js. That basically means they decouple the front-end design from the back-end database, giving you massive gains in speed and security. They also handle really complex WooCommerce enterprise architectures and treat WordPress as a hardcore engineering capability. $4 million. That's the gross merchandise value a company called Bookus hit using a custom marketplace built by DBB. This perfectly illustrates why outcome-owned delivery is so important. They don't just build sites, they deliver concrete business results for European clients using rigorously structured scope documents. We're talking clear requirements, deep technology evaluation, and totally transparent estimations. None of that stuff we like to call status theater. Okay, on to Section 3, conversion and performance specialists. If your main goal right now is turning web traffic into actual measurable revenue, AGMA Studio is our first standout. Headquartered right here in London, they match DBB's highly efficient rate of £40 to £80 an hour. They boast a flawless 5.0 Clutch rating backed by 49 verified reviews, along with a perfect 5.0 cost rating. Honestly, AGMA Studio is the ultimate London boutique if you need heavily conversion-focused delivery completely intertwined with performance marketing. Plus, they bring a ton of multi-industry expertise, having delivered results across 17 different sectors. Now, 90% plus. Think about that for a second. This is not some fluffy vanity metric. This represents documented, staggering improvements in conversion rates and site traffic achieved by our next agency, Propeller. The crucial point here is that Propeller is the definitive choice if you simply cannot afford to treat SEO and pay-per-click as an afterthought. Also based in London, their rates range from £80 to £120 an hour. They hold a stellar 4.9 Clutch rating and get 100% positive project management feedback. Their real strategic superpower is integrating WordPress development with SEO and PPC right from day one of the build. They're an especially fantastic fit if you're operating in verticals like hospitality, entertainment, or healthcare. Which brings us to Section 4, brand and multi-industry experts. If you're looking for an agency renowned for stunning design-led delivery, say hello to KOTA. With a 25,000-pound minimum project size and a flawless 5.0 clutch rating, KOTA brilliantly serves London brands and scale-ups, where deep brand identity integration is the #1 priority. They boast a 100% client satisfaction rate, which is wild. If you need a partner with central London account leadership and a design-led methodology that weaves your branding seamlessly right into the WordPress architecture, KOTA is absolutely the specialist you want in your corner. 70 plus. That is the number of verified, glowing client reviews, racking up an enormous track record for the next agency on our list. That track record belongs to CreativeWeb. Also headquartered in London, they bring a heavily award-winning bespoke methodology to their WordPress delivery. Sitting at a 4.9 rating on Clutch with 100% positive feedback, their biggest differentiator is their massive multi-industry breadth. They've documented expertise across 19 distinct industries. This makes them a rock-solid, highly reputable choice for businesses needing a partner who truly understands diverse and complex market demands. And finally, Section 5, choosing your ideal partner. We've covered a lot of ground today, right? So let's bring all this crucial data together to help you evaluate your ideal partner. If you need complex custom engineering, headless Next.js platforms, or heavy WooCommerce integrations at incredible nearshore rates, DBB Software is your clear leader. If you want a cost-efficient, London-based boutique tightly focused on conversion and performance marketing, you got to look at AGMA Studio. Need SEO and PPC baked into the foundation from day one? Propeller is your go-to. For scale-ups demanding high-end, branding-integrated platforms, KOTA totally leads the pack. And if you need an award-winning partner with proven experience across a vast array of industries, CreativeWeb stands ready. The takeaway here is that each of these verified partners delivers a very specific, documented superpower. And that brings us right back to why we even put this meticulous explainer together in the first place. The distinction between superficial theme customization and true outcome-owned WordPress delivery is basically night and day. Real engineering depth, stuff like UK GDPR compliance, accessibility auditing, and core web vitals optimization, that's what separates the amateurs from the true enterprise partners. So I'm going to leave you with this one critical thought as you evaluate your next major digital project. Are you building a site that actively performs and drives revenue, or are you just paying for one that exists? The 5 partners we explored today are exclusively in the business of performance. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I genuinely hope this breakdown empowers you to make a highly informed, highly successful choice for your next London WordPress deployment. See you next time.